name of this song, Marilag, is Tagalog for sublimely beautiful, and apparently it has some funky grooves and sky-high falsetto that melts knees. I have never heard it before, but let's find out if it lives up to its name.
Everyone dance, come on. Hey, hey, hey,
Hey, hey,
ready?
yeah, this is fun.
Hot shot, running in my non-stop vertical. Curl plot, whiskey in that teapot, ethanol. Burning like hell, 90
placement
bright,
is interesting.
heavenly body. Only music can define you when it sounds like.
Ooh, cool.
The movie in the bar, air in the goose. A photo me knock, jack point blank smooth. Tao minsan sa mga palaki. Ang may tuluhi sa'yo'y maaari. Eh, shorty, you don't need no makeup. Brown-eyed chick, no size. Pretty lady, big bang doesn't make sense. I see God.
Nice. So, is this mix? Is it head voice? Is it falsetto? Well, we're getting all of them. Falsetto and head voice are pretty similar. The only difference is with falsetto, you're not putting your vocal cords together fully, so you get this kind of breathy, airy, light, floaty sound. But actually what's happening is we're using two sets of muscles. In our chest voice, we're using the muscles that are responsible for speaking every day. And in head voice, we're using the muscles that are responsible for making little owl noises. You can combine these two sounds, these two resonants, and these two sets of muscles to make a mix. And you can maybe find that by being a little duck. Quack, 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 quack.
No makeup, brown-eyed chick, no size. Pretty lady, big bang doesn't make sense. I see God.
So falsetto-y there. Can you hear the difference on that? Breathy falsetto-y, his vocal cords aren't together, then just a little bit more tone there to add that contrast, making it a little bit more towards head voice.
So defined till I look in your eyes, see my future. Baby, love in you. I wonder what y'all know was in heaven when I got a glimpse of it coming from your lips. Music to my ears. And this open, how you want my reason to get. I love every part of you. Can't wait.
The audience and the backing singers, that's so cute.
Wala may sa thing. Ibigin kay drama sa teatrong buhay limitado. Bawat kisap ng matay kawalan, oo.
So that's more chest voice there.
Brown-eyed chick, baby. Oh. I see God. Come on, everyone.
A little bit further this time. Nice!
So defined till I look in your eyes, see my future. Baby, loving you, save me.
Why does this sound so fancy? Instead of having huge dynamic changes, it just changes subtly, 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 and suddenly you get that big punchy moment. It's very, very classy singing. Leaving space in it.
Yo, everyone, come on
I love the brass. Ooh! DJ! Yeah. Those runs are so slick. How do you get good at runs? How I like to do it is listen on slow motion on YouTube and count them out as numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is how this one goes. So, and he's doing something really interesting to make each note really defined. They have these tiny little scoops onto a lot of the notes. Beautiful head voice.
Loving you save me. No, I don't wanna live this life without you, girl.
When you're singing this, where should you flip between head and chest voice? And the answer is, it doesn't really matter. Everyone has a slightly different point where it feels comfortable to flip, and everyone's register breaks are a little bit different. So if you did he or he or he, it doesn't matter. That is part of your personal style. Listen to your voice and what feels good, and record it back and have a little listen and see what you like. It's all about personal preference and your own unique instrument.
Okay, have you ever wondered what God looks like? Only to realize that you see it every time you look at your favorite person.
Oh, that's so
Now,
cute.
if this is your thing, I want everyone to sing this
It
as loud
makes
as
me
they
want to
can.
cry. Oh.
Game. 3 times energy. Come on. 1, 2. Mighty love. Come on, clap your hands. I hear my legs say you're a baby.
Oh, I just got super grateful for my favorite person.
So divine, Sheila, look in your eyes. Baby, loving you, you save me. Louder, what? Baby, loving you.
Who's gonna watch this and bet what?
Baby, loving you, save me.
I'm such a soppy person. I was actually saying this morning that I would love to have some more music about that is from the enjoyment of life and gratefulness, and I think that this song truly embodies that.